Discover a new standard of living in the heart of Tbilisi. Coloss Development proudly presents Coloss Krtsanisi, an exceptional residential complex nestled in the lush green zone of Ortachala, where urban luxury meets nature's tranquility. Age-appropriate children's zones, from safe exploratory species for toddlers to interactive learning areas for adolescents. Private amphitheater, tranquil pavilions, perfect for reading, socializing or peaceful solitude. State-of-the-art sports facilities, including a professional climbing wall for fitness enthusiasts. Integrated cycling and walking trails that wind through lush greenery. Exclusive resident-only swimming pool for refreshing summer days. Business-friendly green spaces. Coloss Krtsanisi offers an all-encompassing lifestyle hub where everything you need is just steps from your door. On-site retail, pharmacies and offices, dedicated pet area. Our twin high-rise buildings stand as architectural masterpieces against Tbilisi's mountain backdrop, creating the perfect harmony between sophisticated urban living and natural serenity. Elegant grand lobby making a striking first impression. Choose from a range of impeccably designed living spaces, from efficient 30 square meter studios to spacious premium apartments. Premium materials and finishes throughout. After a demanding day, immerse yourself in relaxation without ever leaving home. As day turns to evening, your home amphitheater transforms into an open-air cinema under the stars. Just one of the countless amenities that make Coloss Krtsanisi the community you will love coming home to. Coloss Development. We build for generations.